Ever wondered what it's like to spend New Year's Eve in the UAE? You're about to discover a world of luxurious celebrations, breathtaking fireworks, and unforgettable experiences. Picture a place where time-honored tradition and cutting-edge modernity meet in a dazzling display of festive spirit. The UAE, a jewel in the Arabian desert, shines brightest on the last night of the year. Here, New Year's Eve is more than a celebration. It's an experience that captures the warmth and hospitality of the Emirati people. Across the 7 Emirates, from the towering skyscrapers of Dubai to the tranquil beaches of Fujairah, there's an array of events that cater to every taste and preference. From grand galas in opulent hotels, enchanting desert safaris, to mesmerizing firework displays that light up the Arabian sky, the UAE offers an extraordinary blend of traditional and modern celebrations. So buckle up for a journey into the heart of the UAE's New Year's Eve celebrations. The UAE is a mosaic of beautiful cities, each offering its own unique New Year's Eve experience. As we delve into the top 5 places to celebrate the turn of the year in the UAE, let's start with the capital, Abu Dhabi. Known for its luxurious parties and concerts, Abu Dhabi rings in the new year with a bang. Lavish galas, star-studded performances, and breathtaking fireworks displays over the Corniche make this city a must-visit. Next, we travel to the city of superlatives, Dubai. There's no place quite like Dubai when it comes to New Year's Eve celebrations. Its world-famous fireworks show is a spectacle not to be missed. The Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world, serves as the canvas for a dazzling light and fireworks show, accompanied by music synchronized to the spectacle. Moving on, we have Ajman, a city that blends tradition with modernity. It's known for its beach parties that offer a more laid-back vibe. Imagine welcoming the new year with your toes in the sand, under a sky lit up by fireworks and surrounded by the sound of waves. Fourth on our list is Al Ain, a city steeped in Emirati culture and history. Here, New Year's Eve is celebrated with cultural events, traditional music, and dance performances. It's a unique experience that truly showcases the cultural richness of the UAE. Finally, for those seeking an off-the-beaten-path experience, Ras Al Khaimah offers New Year's Eve desert parties. Picture yourself under a starry sky, surrounded by the tranquility of the desert, and enjoying a traditional Bedouin-style party. From the glitz and glam of Dubai to the cultural richness of Al Ain, the UAE promises a New Year's Eve to remember. Whether you're a partygoer, a history buff, or a nature lover, there's something for everyone in the UAE. So pack your bags and get ready to celebrate a New Year's Eve like no other. Now that you know where to go, let's dive into what you can do on New Year's Eve in the UAE. The UAE is a cauldron of excitement and vibrancy as the clock ticks towards midnight on New Year's Eve. First on your list should be the dazzling firework displays that light up the sky at the stroke of midnight. With every burst of color, they tell a story of joy, hope, and dreams for the year to come. But the fun doesn't stop there. The UAE is home to world-class restaurants where you can enjoy a sumptuous New Year's Eve dinner, indulge in a culinary journey that takes you from the traditional Emirati cuisine to the most exotic flavors from around the globe. If you're a music enthusiast, the UAE hosts concerts featuring international and local artists. Dance the night away to your favorite tunes and welcome the new year on a high note. For the shoppers among you, exploring the traditional markets known as souks is a must. Immerse yourself in the vibrant colors, enticing scents, and the hum of bargaining. And for those seeking a unique experience, a desert safari on New Year's Eve is a spectacle to behold. Picture this: a starlit sky, the cool desert breeze, and the thrill of dune bashing, all while waiting for the first sunrise of the new year. No matter what your preference, the UAE has something for everyone on New Year's Eve. As the clock strikes midnight in the UAE, you'll find yourself immersed in a celebration unlike any other. This magical land offers a unique blend of traditions and modern festivities. Remember the top 5 places we've discussed, each with its own special allure. The diverse activities, from awe-inspiring fireworks to tranquil desert retreats, are designed to cater to every taste. So if you're looking for a memorable way to ring in the new year, the UAE awaits with open arms and a sky full of fireworks.